Welcome to our exploration of workflow automation tools. Today, we're diving into two leading platforms, n8n and Zapier. First up is n8n, an open source workflow automation tool. n8n empowers users with incredible flexibility and customization options. Next, we have Zapier, renowned for its ease of use and extensive library of integrations, perfect for businesses looking to automate tasks effortlessly. When it comes to ease of use, n8n provides a learning curve but offers great flexibility, while Zapier is designed for quick and simple automation. Pricing is crucial. n8n operates under an open source model, allowing users to self-host for free, while Zapier follows a subscription-based approach. Let's analyze how adaptable both platforms are. n8n excels in customization, whereas Zapier offers out-of-the-box solutions. Both platforms integrate with numerous apps, but their focus slightly diverges based on intended user needs. Scalability is vital as businesses grow, and n8n often caters better to larger scale needs while Zapier simplifies rapid automation. User community and support can make or break an experience. n8n benefits from robust community support, while Zapier has professional resources available. So, which tool fits your needs? It all depends on your specific requirements and how you prefer to automate your workflows.